Let's take a closer look at Quincy's QSI and QGV compressors. If you need stable pressure performance and efficiency, then look no further. This extensive product line of rotary screw air compressors will contribute to the long-term success and profitability of your business. These air compressors feature Quincy's traditional hot side control. This protects the air end from condensate in low load and high humidity environments. These units are reliable in all environments. The drivetrain is the heart of this compressor. It features a NEMA Premium TEFC motor, Guardian drive coupling, and the new Q air end. This single-stage air end is the cornerstone of both its reliability and efficiency. Serviceability is central to this smart design. The maintenance interval is a staggering 4,000 hours for the air filter and 8,000 hours for the separator element and oil filter. Auto restarts after power failures, scheduled services, safety alarms. The Q control panel offers efficient monitoring of every aspect of your system. The Quincy Frequency Drive is our own in-house design. It allows for an improved control over the life cycle of the application. In the QGV range, the QFD separates the drive electronics in an IP5X protected area. It features a through-the-wall mounted heatsink and fan combination, separating drive heat from the electrical enclosure. Another smart design detail. Quincy Compressor. Performance you demand, reliability you trust.